Whether it's a first-time garage door opener installation or upgrading an old one, Genie is the name you know and the place to start. So before you shop, here's what you need to know to get it right. Genie makes all three types of opener: screw drive, belt drive, and chain drive. Which will be best for you and which model depends on the size, type, and weight of the door, how often family comes and goes, whether living spaces are adjacent to the garage and noise is an issue, whether you want smart home connected features. For larger, heavier doors and those who want the fastest, most powerful opener in the industry, Genie screw drive openers are the way to go. If noise is a real concern, Genie belt drive openers are the quietest on the market today. If you want Genie quality at an affordable price, Genie chain drive openers are always a great choice. If your family comes and goes through the garage most of the time, you'll want to choose an opener with a large motor. Regardless of choice, all Genie openers provide the security and safety features your family needs. No worries there. Genie openers include clear, simple-to-follow instructions. All the parts and accessories you'll need for a basic installation are included, packed in color-coded bags to match instructions step by step. A ladder, a friend to help, and simple tools are all you'll probably need. For very large garages or high ceilings, you may need additional items like an extension kit or extra angle irons for mounting. For complete, detailed information, including installation videos, instructions, and manuals, just visit www.geniecompany.com. Genie quality and everything you need to enjoy it, only from Genie, the brand you trust.